Today, we'll show you the GODIAG GT100 Plus, which is the latest OBD protocol, communication detection and ECU maintenance or diagnosis or programming or coding test platform. There are 16 banana plug interfaces on the device, as well as a voltage and current display screen, and 3 switches at the bottom. GT100 Plus can program Volkswagen, Porsche, Mitsubishi, and other vehicles. When all keys are lost, activate the meter or anti-lock module. GT100 Plus can also connect to ECU for diagnosis and programming. Next, start unpacking. This is an instruction manual. Open the first box. There is a 12 volts power cable, a colored jumper wire, 24 pieces of wire accessories, DuPont 2.54mm connector, female pins, 6 pieces of banana plug, and 1 piece of resistor 120 ohm. Next is the host. There are 3 switches at the bottom, which are the main power switch, and there is a display screen in the middle of the device to display the voltage and current. There are 16 banana plug interfaces on the device, on which there are signal protocols, power supply, GND, and other interfaces. There are 15-pin and 25-pin interfaces on the left and right sides of the device, respectively. At last, there is also an OBD 2-in-1 extension cable in the package. Next, we will demonstrate the use of this OBD 2-in-1 extension cable and GT100 Plus to connect the ECU for diagnosis, and this jumper in the package is also needed. Now briefly introduce these cables to you. The brown ones represent GND, the red ones represent power signals, the yellow ones represent custom OBD signals and some other CAN signals. We will connect the jumper to GT100 Plus and connect the other end of the jumper to the ECU according to the wiring definition of the ECU to be tested. After the connection is complete, connect the OBD 2-in-1 extension cable to the GT100 Plus. And finally take out our tablet and use the OBD to connect the tablet for diagnosis. Before diagnosis, plug in the power to GT100 Plus first. After connecting to the power supply, the power display is normal, and the signal light shows that there is also a communication indicating that the connection is correct. Next, start to use the tablet to diagnose, and you can read the fault code and view the ECU information. We can also use wire accessories, DuPont 2.54mm connector, female pins and banana plug interface to connect to the ECU for testing. When testing or programming, some ECUs on the workbench, CAN, and CAN need to be connected with 120 resistors.